Guide to fixing scapular winging through exercise. Scapular winging, characterized by the protrusion or sticking out of the shoulder blade, can be a challenging issue for those aiming for optimal strength and mobility in their upper body. Whether due to muscle weakness, poor posture, or injury, scapular winging can impede proper movement patterns and increase the risk of further injury. However, with targeted exercises and consistent effort, it's possible to correct scapular winging and unlock a stronger, more stable upper body. Understanding scapular winging. Before diving into exercises, it's important to understand what causes scapular winging. The scapula, or shoulder blade, is meant to glide smoothly along the rib cage during movement. However, when certain muscles are weak or imbalanced, the scapula can tilt or rotate, leading to winging. Common causes include weak serratus, anterior, weak or tight pectoral muscles, and imbalances in the muscles surrounding the shoulder girdle. Key exercises to fix scapular winging. 1. Serratus anterior strengthening. Push-up plus. Start in a plank position, then protract your shoulder blades by pushing your body away from the floor. Hold for a few seconds before returning to the starting position. Wall slides. Stand with your back against a wall and arms bent at 90 degrees. Slide your arms up the wall while keeping your shoulder blades engaged. Lower them back down to complete one representative. 2. Rhomboid strengthening. Band pull-aparts. Hold a resistance band in front of you with arms extended, then pull the band apart by squeezing your shoulder blades together. Slowly return to the starting position, bent over rows. Hold a pair of dumbbells or a barbell with arms extended, then bend at the waist while keeping your back straight. Pull the weights towards your torso, squeezing your shoulder blades together, then lower them back down. 3. Stretching and mobility. Doorway stretch. Stand in a doorway with one arm bent at a 90-degree angle against the door frame. Gently lean forward to stretch the chest muscles. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch arms. Cat-cow stretch. Start on your hands and knees, then arch your back upwards, cat pose, and downwards, cow pose, in a fluid motion to stretch and mobilize the spine and shoulder blades. Consistency is key when it comes to fixing scapular winging. Aim to incorporate these exercises into your routine at least 2 to 3 times per week, gradually increasing intensity and resistance as you get stronger. Be patient with your progress, as it may take time to see significant improvements. Additionally, focus on maintaining proper posture throughout the day to reinforce healthy movement patterns. Scapular winging can be a frustrating obstacle on the path to a strong and mobile upper body, but with dedication and targeted exercises, it's possible to overcome this challenge. By strengthening key muscles, improving mobility, and maintaining proper posture, you can correct scapular winging and unlock your body's full potential. Remember to listen to your body, progress at your own pace, and celebrate the small victories along the way.